something about a truck in a farmer's field, a no trespass sign, and time to kill. Nobody's gonna get hurt, so what's the big deal? Something about a truck in a farmer's field, and something about beer sitting on ice after a long hard day. Makes it taste just right on that drop tailgate on a summer night. There's something about beer sitting on ice. Yeah, something about a girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer pressed against her lips. In that farmer's field will make a boy a mess. There's something about a girl in a red sundress, and there's something about a kiss that's gonna lead to more on that drop tailgate back behind the corn. The most natural thing you ever felt before. There's something about a kiss that's gonna lead to more. And there's something about a truck and a field and a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees, and Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing. Ain't nothing about it, love. There's something about a truck. There's something about a creek around 2 a.m. After a few of those beers, you wanna dive on in. You don't need no clothes to just hang 'em on a limb. There's something about a creek around 2 a.m. And there's something about a truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees, and Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing. Ain't nothing about it, love. There's something about a truck. Ain't nothing about it, love. There's something about a truck.
You were my first love, you changed my life. I can't help it, I still dream about you. So beautiful in the warm summer sun, and I can't stand to go anywhere without you. We were made for each other, and there's no place I'd rather be than tearing down a country road, just you and me. Thank you, Lord, for my Ford. You came along and took my breath away. Thank you, Lord, for my Ford. I'm on my knees and all I've got to say is thank you, Lord, for my Ford. You rock my world like no other girl. Strong and tough, and I sure like that body. You never let me down, girl, you know your way around.